Good day, everybody. Welcome to today's video. We're going to check out this. This is a spill-proof funnel kit that I had picked up a long time ago off Amazon, over a year ago, and haven't even used it yet. This is the kit. We got to plug in there right now, and we have to find the attachment that's going to work for me. I guess you just put that right there. I'm not gonna lie, when I first opened up this funnel kit, I thought for sure it was gonna leak just by the way the parts felt. But as you can see, it's not leaking at all. And it does turn out this thing is pretty darn cool. I think I burped about as much as I can out of this, so I'm gonna plug this. Pull this top off. Shit. It's not supposed to leak like that, but I'm going to bring it over here. The radiator overflow, empty it in there. I'm gonna pull this cap off. I'm gonna put the radiator cap back on. So there you have it. Funnel kit isn't foolproof. It does the job. Minimal leakage. Does alright. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Little cheap tool to add to your kit. If you have any questions or comments, post them below. Otherwise, I'll see you guys next video.